and welcome to English Streaming. This is your English lesson of the day, and today we are going to talk about the Euros 2024. Aren't we all very excited? Here you will learn everything about it, the difficult words, and in the end there will be a little exercise on comparatives and superlatives. So take it away. The Euro. And these are your difficult words of the day. Entertaining. Entertaining is something you want to watch on television, something you really like. Exciting. Exciting is even more than entertaining. It's something you really enjoy, something that makes you really happy. Look at her. Thrilling is like exciting, but you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know who's going to win. Oh, it's so exciting. It's so thrilling. The youngest is a person in a group who has less years. The one who was born last. Like here, you have your mummy, your daddy, and in the middle you have the little boy, and he is the youngest of the group. Behind is not in front, like the book is in front, but now the book is behind me. Where is the book? It's behind. Drew. Drew is the past tense of draw, which of course means to draw something, as you all know, but it also means to go 0-0 or 1-1. This is a draw when you have the same score on each team. Edge out is a bit of difficult expression in English. It means just by a very little bit. If I edged out in a football match, it means I won just by 1-0 or just 2-1, just by a very, very little margin. Edge out. Setting up. Setting up is to prepare something, to plan something. Like setting up a table is when you put everything on the table for you to eat. Setting up the television, so you set it up so you can see the television. You can also set up a team to win.
The first week of Euro 2024 was very exciting. There were 16 goals scored in the first 4 games, the most at this stage since 1976. Albania's Nadim Bajrami scored just after 23 seconds against Italy, the fastest Euro goal ever. Some very young players did well. Spain's 16-year-old Lamine Yamal became the youngest ever at the Euros. Italy had their youngest starting team since 1988. Hungary's Dominik Szoboszlai, 23, was the youngest captain. There were thrilling games too. Germany beat Scotland 5-1 in the opening match. England edged out Serbia 1-0. Slovenia and Denmark drew 1-1, an entertaining game. The Netherlands came from behind to beat Poland 2-1. The first week had many goals, young talents and close matches, setting up an amazing Euro 2024 tournament.
That was today's story. Did you understand much? Let's see. I will ask you 5 questions, actually 3 questions, and you have 5 seconds, to see if you can answer the right question. Question number 1. Which team scored the fastest Euro goal in 2024? Question number 2. How old was the youngest player of Euro 2024, Lamine Yamal? How old was he? Question number 3. Which team had the youngest lineup in the whole tournament? That was enough questions for today, but if you look down in the descriptions, you will find a link to more questions and more exercises about today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our link. Okay, today's language focus is on comparative and superlative. Comparatives are when we want to compare 2 things. Like I have 2 books, but this book is bigger than this one. This book is smaller than this one. Did you spot the pattern? When we compare something which is bigger or smaller, we just add the ER to the vowel. So big becomes bigger, fast becomes faster, young becomes younger. A syllable, one syllable word will have an ER at the end. When you have a longer adjective, like intelligent, you can't say intelligenter, but we use the more intelligent or less intelligent. Similarly, superlatives add an ES to the end. So if I again have two books, this is the biggest book. The fastest person is the one in a group who runs the fastest. So we add the ES to a one-syllable adjective. Similarly, superlatives are the person who has the most in a group. So the younger becomes the youngest of the group. The books, this is the biggest of all the books I have. We just add an EST at the end, but this is for one syllable. If we have more than one syllable, we can't say the most intelligentist. We say the most intelligent or the least intelligent. So we add the more or the least of the best in the group. And this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. The lesson can be better. It is not my best, but if you want to get better, follow the indications down there. You'll find a link to more exercises where you can practice everything you learned today. And just like me, you can get better if you study more. I would really appreciate it if you click down here as well on the subscribe and the like button. This will help me and you find more friends and improve our product. So stay tuned, subscribe, and in the future we will have a lesson every day. So be with me, subscribe, and see you soon.